Dear friends, iINTELLIGENCei provide technology-based services. You will receive useful tips and tricks of daily use technology. Thank you.
Dear friends, let us see how to create a virtual desktop. It is very easy to use. Let us see. Now, in this desktop, this actual desktop which I am using, in this desktop, I am browsing, right? So, right. So, I am browsing this, right? So, this is my actual desktop. Now, suppose if I want to create another desktop, what should I do? In the case of Windows, press Windows key, Shift key, and D. Now I am pressing it. Windows key, Windows key, Control key, and D. That's all. A new virtual desktop has been created. Clear? Suppose if in this desktop, virtual desktop which I have created, I am using an application. Example is a node which I am using. Right? Hello. Hi. I am using a virtual desktop here, right? So now again, if I want to change it to another virtual desktop, such cases again press uh, Windows key, Control key, and D key. That's all. Another key has been created. Suppose in this window I want to open a file, right? So this is a file which I am using. So I just want to open a file. See, suppose if I want to see all these two virtual desktops which I have created, what I have to do is I need to go to the bottom left corner task view. Just click the task view. See here, this is the actual desktop which I am using. This is the second desktop, and this is the third desktop. And second and third desktop are the virtual desktops. Right? See here. So this is second virtual desktop. This is the first virtual desktop, right? And this is the actual uh, desktop which I am using it, right? So this is a procedure how to create a virtual desktops. And what is the use of this virtual desktop is, suppose I am working on this hard, and I should not, I could not able to, I do not, I should not able to continue the work here. In case if I continue another immediate work which has just come to me and do it, it will slow down my process, entire process. So in order to avoid that, I need to go for another virtual desktop and do the work here and complete it immediately. Then move on to the current desktop. Right. So that is the main purpose of using a virtual desktop. Right. Hope you understood. Thank you.